Alright, so here is the best way on how you can fix Clash of Clans stuck on loading screen. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can fix Clash of Clans, which like it's stuck on your loading screen and it's not opening up. So there are some ways on how you can do that. First up, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is running good and nicely. So it can depend on both. So if it's your Wi-Fi, just make sure that other apps are running like YouTube, and just check it like that. If they are opening, then it's good, you're good to go. And if it's check your Clash of Clans after that. If it's still stuck, I'll show you some other methods, but it's either your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. But if it's still not working, I need you to do one thing before doing other methods, is just simply turning on airplane mode once and turning it back on, and after that just check it if it's working nicely. But other step is just simply going to your settings. Once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is just simply go ahead and open up general. Inside general, you'll see some options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of iPhone storage, which is the third option. Just go ahead and press on that, and right over here you'll see your all apps and everything. But right over here you need to find Clash of Clans, and for me it's right over here. Once you press on it, right over here, as you can see, I got two options. First up being offload app and the other one being delete app. So you just need to press on offload app, and you have to offload it up and do the process. After offloading, check it out. If it's still not working, I'm going to show you the last method. And just simply go to your app store, and yeah, it's loading. Just wait up for a while, and right over here you need to search up Clash of Clans. And right over here, if it says update, just update the game, because you might not have updated the game. So just go ahead and simply update your game and your problem will be fixed. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helped you out. Also,